Welcome to Prince Shorthand House, exercise number 124. Sir, happy sing 100 words a minute. Ready? Start. Sir, through you, I would like to know a few things from the minister. The Central Board of Secondary Education at Delhi has put a restriction on the admission of students with regard to age and even for appearing at the final examination of the secondary board. There are certain restrictions. The students cannot appear at the board examination if they have not completed a certain age. Now, sir, students come to Delhi from different parts of the country and seek admission in the Delhi schools and appear at the secondary board examinations. When new members of parliament are elected, they come to Delhi and they have to transfer their wards from the districts and villages to Delhi, and they also face a lot of difficulties. Therefore, will the government consider relaxing the age limit for admission and also for appearing at the examination of the secondary board? Secondly, sir, as far as the question of books is concerned, it is very difficult for the students to prosecute their studies at this place because up till now books are not available, and the honorable member from the other side also has drawn the attention of the minister to this problem. I am surprised to find that though an announcement is made that by such and such date the books would be available in the market, later that date is advanced further. Now I would like to know from the minister specifically when the government proposes to make the books available to the students. The practice of giving cyclo-styled copies to the teachers may be helpful to the teachers concerned but not the students. Besides, whatever books are there in the market, their prices are very high and beyond the means of the ordinary poor classes. So I would like to know what measures the government propose to take to make the books available at reasonable prices. This is my second query. The third query is with regard to the admissions. After passing their secondary school examination, the boys and girls seek admission to the colleges. Now this year a peculiar phenomenon has developed in Delhi, and that is they have devised a plan under which the students securing less than a certain percentage of marks will have to deposit a special fee, and they will have an opportunity to improve their performance, and based on that they will be admitted into the colleges. For this, a special fee has been charged. I think this is unjust. It was not announced before when the students were appearing in their examination that they will have to appear in a special examination to improve their performance in particular subjects, and only they be admitted into the colleges. Now obviously when the results are out and the admissions are going on, this thing has come about. I have been approached by the guardians of many girls in this regard. Even the fee is very high. It is more than half the fee which is required to be paid for the full examination. Even if one has to appear in one or two papers, one has to pay rupees 30 or so. I think this is unjust. Will the government look into it and try to rectify this situation? I would also like to draw the attention of the government to another matter and would like to know what steps they are taking in this matter. This is regarding lack of adequate furniture and equipment in the schools. I know of a school where my children study, that is the Gold Market Central School, where the children have to sit on the floor on dheris. I have no objection, but there is a lot of difficulty for many children who cannot sit on the floor because of some physical defect or some such thing. When many of the schools in the country, particularly in the urban areas, are provided with small desks and things like that, I fail to understand why in this school they do not provide furniture. I hope the government is taking this seriously. Then there is a lack of equipment in the schools, even in the central schools, which are supposed to be of a special type schools run directly by the central government. So, I would like to know what specific steps the government is going to take to improve the situation. Sir, the honorable member has raised several points, some of which I most respectfully submit do not arise out of this question. For instance, he has mentioned the point regarding the age limit for appearing at the examination. We are not actually dealing with this problem. Secondly, he has also mentioned about some special tests for admission into the colleges, but we are here dealing with the matter regarding admission into class 11th. If the honorable member has certain ideas, he can write to me or he can discuss with me. As regards the question that the books are not available, I should like to tell you that NCERT are trying their level best to bring out the books as soon as possible. Stop.